Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I'm at work. Lord, I'm kind of late. Not really. I'm supposed to be here at 9. It's 8:59. But I usually like to be here a little earlier, so I don't feel like I'm rushing. But you know, I had to wash some dishes this morning. I had stuff to do. Okay, great. This thing has a pocket. I've been trying to wear things that have pockets because with my new phone, I don't have a case yet. And I refuse to like break this phone. Okay, well, all the way through. Let me close this side. I will see you guys later. Okay. Got my water. And I got my tea. So we're walking around the neighborhood because we're getting that exercise, okay? You know, I need to get my heart rate up. I need to start moving some more. Oh, obviously I'm back from work, but yeah. We just gotta be more active, okay? We gotta live that active lifestyle. Whew. Okay guys, so I didn't get much footage from Vlogmas Day 12. Gonna be honest, I'm stressed about this pandemic. Is anybody else like stressed? I just need better coping mechanisms, I guess. It's been going on too long and it's kind of hard to just stay positive. Like 300,000 people, that's a lot of people. So honestly, didn't get much footage, was just trying to get myself together in terms of that. But we're gonna go hard Vlogmas Day 13 with the quality content, so stay tuned. Thanks for rocking with me, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in Vlogmas Day 13.